I come from an entrepreneurial family. I've always had an older brother to look out for me, show me the ropes, and all the while, I was slowly climbing up the corporate ladder, rung by rung. 10 years at one of the biggest professional accountancy firms, and I finally got my dream move. Transfer out to Dubai to set up my own team. A beautiful apartment, sun's out, guns out. My son's on the balcony in a paddling pool, and every night, our family's view is towards the Dubai fountains. I felt like Zeus. I had everything of value until that phone rang. Haran, your brother's collapsed. He's not responding. A few minutes later, Haran, the ambulance is here. He's still not responding. On that third and final phone call, the only two words my mum could come out with, he's gone. Anything I had of value vanished. Done, over. It didn't matter where I was, what car I was driving, what kind of lifestyle I had. The only thing that mattered right then and there was what would I say to his 5-year-old daughter and his 1-year-old son about who their father was. I was like Icarus. And in Greek mythology, Icarus was trying to set himself free from his circumstances. And a lot of us today are here because we're trying to strive to go higher and higher and higher. But Icarus was warned. So don't fly too close to the sun. Your wings are made of wax. You're going to melt and you're going to fall. And that's what happened to Icarus. He ignored what happened. He flew close to the sun and he fell to his death. Now, that is the story, that's the closest I can find to the feeling I felt that day. All of a sudden, in an instant, someone clipped my wings and I felt like I was lost. The reason I fell was because I was never being authentic. I never made any decisions that aligned with my values. So the message I want you all to take away today is that uncertainty is going to come. Difficult times are going to come. For me, it was a personal tragedy. For you, it might be something else, but uncertainty will come. So the real question is, do you know what your wings are made out of? And if you don't, you need to start asking yourself those questions from today. I had to rebuild myself all of that way. I'm so crystal clear what my values are. I've done more work for my family and my community within the last 2 years than the last 10 years combined, because I just have a simple decision to make in my head. Whatever comes to me, does this align with who I am? So all I would say to you guys is, uncertainty is going to come. If you don't know what your wings are, please go and find out today. Thank you.